First, we are going to create a bucket. So this bucket, we are going to call it Silas, just to be lowercase, underscore demo. So when you look at the region is the region I am in at the moment, which is London EU West 2. If you come here and have a look at this place, you would see that this is a global region that we are. But actually, S3 is region specific. So it's not global when it comes to where it is. So S3 is region specific and not global. Please take note. So that means when you create this bucket will be in EU West 2, which is London. So for the object ownership, we're going to leave it as default. And we leave all the other things as default as well. Versioning, we leave it as disabled. And encryption, we leave it like this. Bucket key, we leave it as enable. So let's create a bucket. Bucket name contains invalid characters. So this is what we explained before, that the bucket name must be unique and some characters are not allowed. So I'm going to use this instead. It might not allow me to create this as well. Let's see. The name has to be unique. Okay, well done. So let's look at the bucket that we've created. It's ready now. Let's click on the bucket. So let's upload the file. I'm going to go to add file. I'm going to add this file and I'll click on upload. So if I want to access this file, I'm going to click on here. So as we can see, we have properties, permissions and versions. All this, we're going to visit them one by one, but for now let's do the basic ones. So here I'm going to click on open to view the file that we've uploaded. So this is the file that we've uploaded. So I can close this and come back here again and do something like download, and the file downloads. So I can leave it out as well. If you notice, we have the URL of the file, and if I want to click on this to see if I can see the file, what do I get? I get an error that says access denied. So why is this? So this is because we cannot access this publicly. So this object cannot be publicly accessed. If we open this here and then open this one again like we did before, if you look at the URL, this is the public URL, right? If you look at this one, this URL has a bit more to it. So this URL has my security details, my credential details. So that means I am the only one that has access to this object. So also let's go back and do one more thing. So we can go back to the bucket here and you can create a folder. We can call it S3 demo and click on create. Let's see if it's going to create. Yes. So this is a folder. I can create a folder inside this folder, just like we have on our systems, on our computers. You know, we could do that as well. I can upload a file to this folder. Upload. I can also delete this file. So if I want to delete this file, just click on this file. So if I want to delete this file, I can come to the demo, go back a step further, and I'll click on this. And I will click on delete. And then for you to delete this, you need to type in permanently delete. I'll just copy this because I've done this many times before and paste it. To do this, I can just copy this from here and paste it here and then hit on delete and it's done. So guys, thank you so much. Like and subscribe. This is the first video of the series. I'm gonna bring in more videos afterwards, and the next video should be around bucket policies and securities and so on. So there's a lot more we need to cover in S3. Thank you.